You ever look around and realize the dumbest people you know are suddenly making money in their sleep? They're flipping Canva templates while you're out here mastering Excel spreadsheets like it's 2012. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Smart doesn't equal rich action does. So if you're done waiting for motivation and ready to make passive income actually work, I've got 7 side hustles for 2026 that can change your game. Comment which one you'd actually try. Let's make your money move. Let's go. 1. Rent out assets you already own. Your car, camera, or even that overpriced blender you swore you'd use every day can literally make money while you sleep. Platforms like Turo, Fat Llama, or Airbnb are basically passive income cheat codes. Rent out the stuff collecting dust, and boom, instant cash flow. Ordinary people? They hoard junk like it's a personality trait. Smart people? They realize every unused thing is a mini ATM waiting to be switched on. Your garage isn't a storage unit, it's a gold mine disguised as chaos. Clean it, list it, and watch your random stuff start paying rent. And while we're on the topic of things sitting idle, let's talk about the digital junk you've been ignoring too. 2. Sell digital products. Ebooks, printables, templates. Make once, sell forever. It's the laziest form of passive income that actually isn't a scam. You don't need a PhD, an art degree, or some $10,000 design course. Canva and Gumroad make it stupidly simple. Drag, drop, upload, done. Most people scroll past this opportunity because it doesn't look glamorous. Smart people? They quietly stack digital products and wake up to Stripe notifications. Your keyboard could literally print money if you stopped overthinking and started creating. And if the idea of designing feels too artsy for you, don't worry, the next one's even easier. 3. Build a niche affiliate site. Promote stuff you already love and earn when people click. It's basically getting paid for your obsession. Affiliate marketing is one of the simplest ways to earn passive income online. Choose a niche such as green cat toys, productivity apps, or even strange coffee machines and produce content based on it. Whenever a visitor clicks your link or buys something, you get a commission. The secret? Focus on a narrow audience. Dumb people try to appeal to everyone and end up with no traffic. Smart people target a small, hungry audience and monetize it effectively. SEO, reviews, tutorials, and email lists become your automated sales machine. It does not need to have superior design skills or tons of traffic to start with. A few hundred clicks a month can make plenty of money if your niche and offers are quality. Over time, your site becomes a cash-flowing asset you can run on autopilot. Your obsession could literally become your retirement plan. Now, this next one is the one I'm actually starting. 4. Dividend stock investments. Money that pays you to hold money sounds dumb, right? Dividend stocks are classic passive income. You're buying shares in companies that pay monthly dividends, taking the payout and reinvesting it, and just sitting back while compounding does its thing over the years. It is not immediate wealth. It's creating a system that generates you money whilst you get on with living. Patience and persistence are the secrets. Too many others make investing too complicated with too much homework, seeking hot tips or attempting to time the market. Clever investors put money in great companies, reinvest dividends, and wait. Bonus tip: use dividend-oriented ETFs or index funds to diversify with little inconvenience. Small, regular investments build amazingly quickly due to compounding. If your money isn't working, it's vacationing somewhere else. But enough traditional finance, let's get modern. 5. Create a micro SaaS or app. I'm starting this one. Don't laugh until you see the cash flow. Micro SaaS apps are tiny, focused software solutions that solve a very specific problem for a small but dedicated audience. Think automated invoicing for freelancers, a habit tracking tool, or a niche analytics dashboard. You build it once, host it, and let subscriptions roll in month after month. Minimal updates, mostly automated support, that's passive income at scale. The beauty, you don't need to be a coding genius. Platforms like Bubble, Glide, or even no-code tools let anyone create functional apps. Dumb people scroll past opportunities like this. Smart people see the leverage. One small app can generate recurring revenue that replaces a 9 to 5 over time. One tiny app, one loyal audience, infinite recurring income. And if software seems scary, don't worry, the next hustle is creative and simple. 6. License your photography or art. Snap, click, ka-ching. Literally. You're sitting on a gold mine every time you hit your camera roll. Stock sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and even Unsplash Plus pay you every single time someone downloads your photo or clip. Usually, people just hoard their pictures in the cloud like digital clutter trophies. Smart people? They turn every sunset pic, coffee shot, and B-roll clip into rent money. Your iPhone isn't just a phone, it's a potential ATM with a lens. And if you're allergic to photography or can't tell exposure from espresso, 7. Build a membership or subscription community. People will pay you monthly for exclusive content, and yes, they will. Memberships or subscription communities are one of the most powerful ways to earn recurring income. Platforms like Patreon, Substack, or Discord let you monetize expertise, entertainment, or even niche hobbies. You don't need millions of followers, even a few hundred loyal members. Paying $5 to $20 a month can generate serious income. The key is value and consistency. Dumb people give away everything for free, hoping for recognition. Smart people create a system where their time and content are worth recurring revenue. You post exclusive tutorials, insider tips, curated content, or even a private Q&A, whatever fits your audience. Over time, your community becomes a predictable, automated revenue stream, and the best part, you control it. No ads, no gatekeepers, no corporate bosses. Just you, your content, and recurring income. Your followers equals recurring revenue. Treat them like gold, and they'll pay you like it. And that wraps up the 7 side hustles that could actually make 2026 your wealthiest year yet. Passive income mindset. Here's the pattern. Use what you already have, automate, and let systems work while you sleep. Passive income isn't magic. It's strategic effort, consistency, and patience. Rent assets, sell digital products, start niche affiliate sites, invest in dividend stocks, launch micro SaaS apps, license content, or create subscription communities. Each is a lever for your financial freedom. Do even 1 to 2 consistently, and 2026 could be the year your side hustle stops being a hobby and starts being real money. 2026 passive income is not about luck or doing it once and for all, but it is a matter of selecting the right approaches and keeping at it. You rent out property, sell digital products, create a niche affiliate website, put money into dividend stocks, create a micro SaaS, license your work, or create a subscription community. Action, not words. Begin small, automate where you can, and have your systems take care of you so that you can work on growing. Any hustle well done gets doubled in a bid, working hard today and reaping financial freedom tomorrow. So which side hustle are you starting this year? Comment below. I want to see which one actually scares you and excites you at the same time. If you're serious about building passive income, hit subscribe. This is Jet Set Finance, where we skip the fluff, expose the truth, and build smart, actionable wealth step by step. Stickman out.